8-inch foil sealer machine. Switch on the power of the foil sealer. Set the sealing time or temperature according to the thickness and type of foil. When the handle is pressed down, the red indicator light turns on, showing that the sealing process has started. Take a liquid-filled container and cover its mouth with aluminum foil. Place the container on the sealing platform and press down the handle to start sealing. Once sealing is complete, release the handle and carefully remove the sealed container. Take another liquid-filled jar and cover its mouth with aluminum foil. Place the jar on the sealing surface and adjust the height of the sealing head by rotating the rear adjustment knob. Adjustable temperature control knob for different pouch materials and thicknesses. Strong, uniform, and leak-proof sealing for reliable packaging. Compact red metal body ensures durability and easy tabletop operation. Press down the handle to start sealing and release it once the sealing is complete. Impulse heating technology provides heat only during sealing, helping save power.